a tiny fraction of your infinite potential is being hidden by the veil, is being hidden by the matrix inside a program. Consciousness is fundamental. I can boldly state that, and this is my opinion, my realization, that consciousness is fundamental and matter is a derivative of consciousness. Therefore, we cannot go deeper than consciousness itself. And it's not a thing per se, it's not an object. So therefore, you are formless, timeless, dimensionless, an infinite being, all-encompassing. But right now, the matrix, if you will, keeps limiting our perception. And our perception, the human perception through our five senses, are heavily being attacked by the powers that be. And it has been so for thousands of years, really. So it's time to wake up. It's time to delve into your own self and reveal the false self, the identification with seeming things, the world of objects. That's an illusion. All of this is an illusion. The only real, per se, the only real self, if you will, even though there's no self, is that which can never be described, never be understood by the brain, by the mind. It's divine, it's spiritual in its essence, and so give up any attempt to understand or to do anything. Just completely let go and surrender to what is right here, because it will reveal to itself how the seer or the observer in this very moment, in this immediate moment, can reveal to itself everything that I'm not. Neti, I'm not this, I'm not that. And continuously so I strip away everything that I'm not. I'm not my thoughts, I'm not my feelings, I'm not my emotions, my body either. And so here I am independent without any attempt to create any experience. So without any experience, I am complete, I am fulfilled, and wholeness itself. That is letting go of everything and being acutely aware of the very essence of my own liveness, my own essence or self or true nature. That which is untouchable, can never change. But yet at the same time, it will reveal to itself, but to nobody. There's no one taking ownership of everything. It's unconditional, therefore it's infinite. But it's the unmanifest that is yet at the same time infinite potential and can manifest itself as infinite potential at all times. So past and future is nothing but possibilities, and you can literally manifest your own reality right now to manifest whatever you want as consciousness. Tap into the 0 point, that which is the container for infinite possibility that can change information pertaining to the idea that I am a human being. If you change that idea, you can heal yourself. Understand that your body is nothing but a complex system of consciousness inside many, many illusions. But you can tap into the source code, the 0 point, the ether, and heal yourself simply by letting go of previous conclusion or belief systems or whatever. To stand and marinate within your own essence. That's really the key here. So take control, lose control. Control is nothing but a sign of fear. and of limitation. So let's do the opposite. Let's be fearless and transcend the veil, transcend this illusion, and wake up to our infinite possibility. So zero is before everything else. Awareness, that which is the infinite seer, everything is seemingly manifesting. This hand is just, it's appearing. It's seemingly appearing right here, but it's just appearing, and I don't know what it is. It just is. It is, and I don't know what it is, but it's observed by whatever, let's use the word consciousness or awareness. But it's not a particular thing. It is no thing per se. It is no thing. Can never be known. You can only be it. So be instead of becoming, as Osho said. Be instead of becoming. Be aware in this immediate moment and let go. Let it be.